Today we are going to talk about the 200 ebooks collection. We at the World for Vinny channel have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying 200 ebooks collection. I also have some really important caveats, which I'll talk about throughout the video, so make sure you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing the 200 ebooks collection. The first thing you need to know about 200 ebooks collection is, be careful which site you are going to buy 200 ebooks collection from because it is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Have you ever thought about buying more than 200 books for the price of one? It's not good. I already bought a lot of books myself, but this opportunity you will also have a savings of more than $2,000, a lot of money. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test 200 ebooks collection for 30 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you your money back. So rest assured to use the 200 ebooks collection, but make sure you are purchasing from the official website to ensure you benefit from the warranty. Also, for 200 ebooks collection to work, you need to take reading seriously, as there are many books on different topics and you are buying it for the price of one book only. So I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful which site you are going to buy 200 ebooks collection. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that 200 ebooks collection really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.